Hey, what's going on, everybody? This is your boy James from What's Your Forte, and today we're going to be reviewing the DR970X from Blackvue. This is a brand new dash cam from Blackvue that is coming out this March, and I was one of the early previewers, one of the early reviewers that gets to review it for you guys, all right? So let me go ahead and get into that review. All right, so this is the DR970X 2-channel Blackvue dash cam. So this is the box that it comes in right here. And then there will be a couple different options that you'll be able to choose from on launch date. The launch date is March 6, 2023. So they do have different memory options. They have a 64 gigabit memory option. It'll be 469, 128, which will be 497, and then a 256 gigabit version, which will be 526. So depending on what memory size you want will depend on the price that you get. All right. So this one is going to be replacing the DR900X. So this is going to be the direct replacement to that model right there. So there will be a launch promotion when this dash cam comes out. So when in launch promotion, you'll be able to get the dash cam. You'll be able to get a connectivity module, which you'll see right here, which I'll give you guys good info on later. And then you'll also be able to get a SIM card, which is right here. So that launch promotion will be as supplies last whenever Blackvue releases this. So if you're really interested in getting that full package, I will, March 6th, hit their website up. We'll be linking it down below, and go ahead and get yours so you can get the whole all-in-one package as you see it right here. All right. So now let's go ahead and get into opening this box, and I'll show you exactly everything that's in each one of these packages. And then we'll go ahead, I'll show you a quick install, and then we'll review the unit. All right, so inside the box, this is a 4K dash cam, just in case you were wondering. So you have your front module and your back module, camera module right there. So you'll have those, and then usually underneath these will be like a bunch of your cords, any accessories you need to actually install these. That's usually what's underneath here. So you got a quick start guide in case you've never done one of these before. And then usually in here is all your plugs. Yep, all your plugs, all your accessories, pretty much anything you need to install it is going to be inside of here. So I'll lay all this to the side. I don't need that right now. It looks about the same size as the other cameras, not much bigger. You can see all the ports right there. So about the same size, just a better camera, better software. All right, and then this is the SIM card that you can get also. So they do give you send the SIM card and tell you how to install it. You will have to use the app to install the SIM card. Then inside the connectivity module box, you're gonna have some install accessories that you're gonna need, install tools, some cords, and then also the actual connectivity module. So that's what that's gonna look like there. And then they also have pre-installed 3M tape on the back of that, so you can install it somewhere and hide it out of plain sight. All right, and then it looks like there's a user guide and all that inside of here as well, and a SIM activation guide as well. All right, so Blackvue gives you everything you need to get this installed. It's pretty simple. Just have to run some cords, run some wires, tuck some wires, and it's really pretty simple. It's really, really simple. So now we're gonna go ahead and get showing you guys how to do a quick install of this Blackvue dash cam. All right, everyone, so I have the Blackvue dash cam installed right there, right behind my front view mirror, and you can see it right there, and it kind of fits perfectly right behind there. So I do have one of the power cords being ran right up to the front there. I have it tucked in behind my front liner right there, all the way down, and it runs all the way down to underneath my glove box here. Now, in order to get constant power, I do have the Blackvue power box, which is right here in the middle of your screen. So that just makes sure it gets constant power, so I have power whenever the car is off. All right, so on the other side of the dash cam, we have that wire coming up to the top, running out to the other side, going all the way around to the back side of the car, and you guys can see the rear dash cam right there. So you just kind of tuck it into your headliner there, and it fits perfectly. And they definitely give you enough. They definitely give you enough cord to be able to run it from the front to the back with no issues. You only get the rear camera if you have the 2-channel dash cam setup. Also, if you have the SIM module like I do, so that controls like your connectivity, your cloud connectivity. So I have they suggest running it and putting it right here on the front corner or like lower corner. I didn't really want anything on my windshield right there. So I have this cord coming up right through here. I'm going to clean this up a little later, but just want to show you. I kind of have it running right through here, and then I have it zip tied. I have the cord zip tied up right here, and then I have the actual SIM module, connectivity module right here. So that's kind of how I have it running right now. I did leave enough slack into it in case, you know, the passenger wants to open this up and, you know, use the actual visor. So there's enough slack so it won't pull it off. I have it running right here for the time being because I don't really know where I want to put it. But so far with it being connected right there, I haven't run into any connectivity issues. So I got to find somewhere to put it. If you have any ideas on where I should put it, or anywhere ideas on where you're going to put it, if you do plan on getting one, please let me know in the description below. All right, so I showed you what's in the box. I showed you how I have it set up in my car, and now I'm going to show you how you access everything from the app. All right, so when you set everything up from the app, make sure you connect to the camera first. Make sure you can get everything connected, and then do the SIM part second. All right, so now make sure you have the Blackvue app downloaded. So I'm going to the app right here. If you haven't registered, you'll need to go ahead and register and sign up for an account with Blackvue. Once you sign up for an account with Blackvue, this will be your home screen here. If you want to connect to the camera, you'll click connect to the camera. And then after you've already connected to the camera one time, your camera will automatically pop up. And they'll ask you if you want to join the Wi-Fi network, and you hit yes. Then once you join, you'll be able to see everything that's in your camera's database at that point. All right, so these are the recent recordings, and it has an event. That's like if it's an impact or if it recognizes something, it indicates that that's an event, so you can go in and actually see it. So these are all the recent events that it has right here. It has some driving footage, just normal driving footage, and all this and that. And then there was hard acceleration. That might have been me, you know, just really just kind of hitting the gas in this car, and it catches that as well. So that's kind of cool there. You can kind of see the different types of recordings that you have in here. So if you go back to your home screen, you can hit connect the cloud. If you've signed up for the cloud account, you can hit connect the cloud. And then you'll select your actual dash cam. And then if you've uploaded anything to the cloud, you will see it here. And then it has live event uploads. So this right here is going to show you all the live events that have happened, and it's going to tell you exactly what's going on here. So this right here is a driving impact event that it says happened. So I think this was I had left the car on, but got out of the car, and I closed the door, so it recognizes it as an impact. So let's actually look at this. And then it'll also show you front and rear view as well. So I'm going to turn the volume down for copyright reasons. But you can kind of see this is a nighttime view. You're driving through. It also shows you GPS as well. So it kind of shows where I'm at, where I'm driving at night right here. And you can kind of see it live on your phone. So you can kind of see what's going on. So that's pretty neat and pretty cool that they show you this. And then I can click rear too. And then it'll pull up the rear view camera's view and what the rear view camera was seeing as well. So as you see right there, it just switched over to the rear view. So this is pretty dope, man. And the rear view camera is full HD. The front camera is 4K. All right, so just in case you were wondering there. And then I can go back to the front at any point. And then it shows me right there getting ready to park. So that's pretty cool right there. If you hit the 3 dots right here, here are your options. You can share to an event map. If you want to log an event at a certain place, you can download it, or you can move it to the cloud, or you can delete it. So there's different options you have there for each of those events. So it just gives you a couple options there, and it's pretty dope that they show you everything right through there. All right, so let's go ahead and get into the 3 plans that you can sign up for. All right, so the first plan is the free plan. So the free plan, and I'll be putting this up right here so you guys can see it and follow along with me. So you have the free plan. The free plan, you get 1 camera per account, 1 user per account, 10 minutes of live view per day. You can do remote video playback 100 times. Cloud storage is 5 gigs. You get push notifications, 2-way voice communication, live GPS, etc. Live event upload lasts for 7 days. Live event auto upload is 7 days. You get driving reports and you get the event map. All right. So that is the free account. Then if you want to take it up a notch, they have the smart account. Smart account, you can get 3 cameras per account. Live view per day is unlimited. Remote view playback is unlimited. You get 5 gigs per camera, so you have multiple cameras. You can get that set up. GPS tracking for 7 days. And then you get live view updates for 30 days as well on that. And then they have the top tier plan, which is the fleet plan. So the fleet plan, you get 999 cameras per account. So as much cameras if you want as you want. You can have 1 owner and 10 admins, 3 cameras per driver. Everything's pretty much unlimited. Cloud storage, 15 gigs. I mean, pretty much everything is pretty much maxed out. You get everything they have. You get to try it 1 month for free, and then after that, you get to figure out how you want to do it. So they give you that for 1 month for free, and then after that, you can change it to the smart or the free plan, depending on how you want to use it, depending on what you want to do. So what I would recommend is you trying out the free trial or the fleet plan, seeing how you like the cloud connectivity, seeing how you like everything, how it's going on, and then you can kind of make a decision there if you really think you'll use it that much, or if you just want a peace of mind of just having a dash cam in your car and being able to access it. Because you can access the dash cam in other ways. You can get your own SIM, maybe through your internet provider. Maybe if it's AT&T, T-Mobile, you can get your own SIM card through them. Or you can just connect to your camera and system using a Wi-Fi hotspot from your phone. So if you have a hotspot included on your data plan, you can use that as well. So you don't have to sign up for the cloud connectivity and the SIM connectivity. The Blackvue SIM connectivity, you know, is going to charge you because they are giving you data and stuff like that. So if you want to use your own stuff, you can, or if you want to use theirs, you can. So they give you tons of options, tons of flexibility. Which is very good for us as the consumers of this product. Options are always better than not having any options. So at that point, you just want to choose the one that works best for you. Choose the plan that works best for you and choose the connectivity option that works best for your needs. So the biggest difference between this, the DR970 and the DR900, is really going to come down to image quality. The image quality is a lot better in this newer camera. So I'm gonna put up a video showing you the difference between the DR970 and the DR900 right now, and you'll be able to see the difference clearly with your own eyes. All right, as you guys saw, the difference was super clear. I'm also going to go ahead and put in one of my videos right here, right after this, so you guys can kind of see actually what it looks like. Download it right from my phone, upload it in this video, so you can kind of see the quality for yourself as well. All right, so if you are interested in this model, depending on when you watch this video, the release date is March the 6th. They will be having a promotion on March the 6th. You will want to go ahead and try to get one of those promotional units because it does come with some free items from Blackvue. All right, so if you're looking for a new dash cam, looking for the best quality that Blackvue has to offer, this is the one that you want to get. Again, the front camera is 4K, the rear camera is full HD, and you can access everything from the app, download it to your phone in case something happens, or if you have someone hit you, if you need like, you know, any quick access to the actual files, you can get them right there on your phone. So it's super quick and easy. Special shout out again goes to Blackvue for sponsoring this video and sending me out this unit for me to review it. I've liked it so far. I've had it on the car for about 2 weeks right now and haven't had any issues with it. And everything's working seamlessly. So if you have any questions for me about this unit, or if you want me to show anything in additional, I can compile a list and then I can do another video showing you guys kind of what you're looking for. All right. So again, this is your boy James from What's Your Forte, and I'll holler at you guys later. Peace.